Hello everybody. So we kind of showed you some footage from earlier in the week, and you could probably tell by the lack of snow on the ground. But tonight we finished this off. I was up till about 3:30 in the morning editing for the blade sharpening video because my computer crashed and I lost the whole project. So I was really happy. So I dragged ass pretty well for most of the day. But come evening, you know, I wake right up and then I start getting a lot done, usually the way it happens. But anyway, so we got some stuff in there today, cutting some queen posts for what we put up. Got some siding stuff. We actually finished off sheathing on one side here, which is kind of nice to have that, and I tarped off the back here. I finally took your advice. How many of you said, why don't you close that up and work like a gentleman? Those weren't always the words, but it's about as close as it's going to get to the words. And you know, I was out here today working on this, and that north wind was just screaming through here. And I said, you know what? I've got that pile tarp I tried to cover this thing with. I can double it up. The tarp is huge. It's a piece of crap. It was a waste of money. But it was good enough for this, so I just threw some scrap boards on there, and we covered it up. And I tell you what, it's kind of giving me an idea what it's going to be like with a wind barrier for a change. But anyway, tomorrow what we're going to be working on, we're going to be working on the final 5 queen posts, try to get those cut, try to get them all done in one day, and then we can really tear it up, stand on that second floor, and that's going to be awesome. We're getting so close, I can't explain to you how happy I am to be getting this close. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to keep going on this thing. Probably by haying time, I should be done with this build, at least to the point where it's dried in, and then I can get to wiring it and stuff like that, which probably, the way it goes around here, and once haying time starts, that probably won't happen till fall. I can chip away at it here and there during the summertime, but come summertime, there's going to be a lot more equipment videos and stuff like that. I'm going to try to sneak in as much woodworking. We have a forge to build. We've got a forge press to build, because we're going to be trying to crank tools out of here. So I've got to kind of get set up. I have a plan in my head of how I want to do that. And but anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.